Okay, hello, how you doing everybody? This is what happens today. We came across a situation where the fan on a Jeep Grand Cherokee 2004 blower fan only works on high and it doesn't work in any other situation. So this is a fan blower motor resistor. What this part does, basically there are 4 pins over here and inside there is a resistor. We discovered that this piece is out. So what we're going to do today, we're going to try to see if we can fix it. We're going to take care of it. So we're going to get this soldering iron. We're going to get this soldering station. We'll place it over here. We're going to try to fix it. So a couple of things to know before we're going to fix it. We're going to use alcohol. We're probably going to need some sort of a brush. But let's start with the alcohol first. Alcohol and clean it. When you're soldering, this is what you pay attention to. You have to let the metal, the temperature of this metal, get high, and then you have to let the soldering iron melt on the metal, not on the soldering iron. So this is melting on the metal. Alright, so you heat up the metal. So we need to also do like this, make sure that it's in place. So let's check the temperature. I gotta warn you about breathing in those things. What I do is I stop my breath, but use your own safety stuff. Now if you notice, I'm gonna do like this. I'm gonna heat up the bottom part. So this is the best that we could do. And as you can see on the other side, nothing caught. And I assume it's because I did not clean it with sanding paper. I did not clean it with sanding paper. I did not do anything to clean the surface. And this is why it's like that.
Okay.
All right. Now we're going to try and put it in and see if it works. All right. So we're back in the car. This is actually under the passenger seat on the floor. You see over here there is a plug that was connected, and that's where it came out from. So we're going to go and we're going to attempt and installing it and testing it to see if it's work. And then of course we're going to replace it and put a new one in. So there we go. Okay, so now let's go ahead and let's try the car right now. So you can turn off the car. Yeah, just like this. So it used to work only here. Now, see? So, it's actually work. It's official. That fixing works. Should we leave it like that or should we replace the new one?
Replace the new one.
Alright, we'll be right back. Okay, so now what we're gonna do, we're gonna get ourselves coffee, like a reward coffee for doing a good job, and we're gonna be happy because guess what? The problem was fixed. Now, I didn't clean everything. I didn't make it perfect because guess what? We were going to replace the new one anyways. But we did test it and we did find out that that little piece coming apart is the reason why that blower fan resistor did not work. So this part is called blower motor resistor, I believe. And that blower motor resistor is the reason why your fan all of a sudden starts working only on high, doesn't work in any other position. Now, blower motor resistor. That's what it's called. So I'm gonna put in the link below, right there, down. You see down the description below. There's gonna be a link right there where you can actually go and Amazon and buy it. It actually costs $10, a little over $10 to buy it, and It's just a simple resistor with different level of resistance. So the reason why it has a big white little piece on that piece,
Only for this one.
it's because it generates heat when a resistor, and that resistor is also good for Dodge Viper or a bunch of other cars. But again, it's a very simple mechanism. You can also use a standard resistor and have like a plate, and then you can cut it out and do the adapter and plates. But this one was a direct replacement to the same shape, same thing like the original. This is why I chose this one. Regardless, it works. And just so you know, you can always fix stuff if you want to. If you're in a country where getting those parts is difficult, guess what? Take it apart, have a look to see why it's not functioning. Try to fix it. In our place over here in Florida, it was cheaper for us to replace it than to fix it because it only cost $10. But still, I made this video so you guys can see how easy it is to fix something like that, which could be $10 for some people is a lot of money. So, thank you very much for coming to the channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.